The Vesper, sort of like a martini-style drink, but it has equal parts, so it's easy to make. Gin, vodka, and Lillet Blanc. Now, Lillet Blanc is a fortified wine. It sort of takes the place of what would be just dry vermouth in a traditional martini, but it's a little softer, a little sweeter. And this drink, with the addition of the vodka, it's going to be a little just overall a lighter, more floral tasting drink. So I'm going to do this drink two ways because James Bond, he is James Bond, but I don't necessarily agree with the way he makes or asks for his martinis to be made, which is shaken, not stirred. Now, the reason for that, I've talked about this before. When I'm using all clear ingredients in a drink, and that could be a martini, it could be a Manhattan, because that's, even though they're brown liquids, they're all clear. Unless I'm adding something like a juice or egg white or cream, you know, then the drink's already cloudy because it has cloudy ingredients. But if it's all clear ingredients, I don't know, to me, I just think the drink's gonna look prettier if it's nice and crystal clear in the glass. And the way for that to happen is you gotta stir the drink, because once you start shaking drinks with ice, they're gonna get, you know,
you muddy the waters.
You muddy the waters, you muddy the drink. But shaking is a little quicker than chilling a drink by stirring. So I'm gonna do this. This has never been done on this show before. I'm gonna stir a drink and shake a drink at the same time. And then I'm gonna pour them next to each other, and you can kind of see the difference. But if you want to shake your martini, you don't care that it's looking a little cloudy, go right ahead. I won't stop you. Unless I come over to your house, then I may just stop you. Okay, so.
He might just do that, by the way, people.
Now I'm gonna shake with this hand and stir over here. This is like that when you pat your head and rub your stomach. I need circus music or something.
Look how talented he is.
All right. Wow. Can't believe I actually pulled that off. Now these glasses.
That was very impressive, honey.
Thank you. I've pre-chilled the glasses with a little ice and some water. Because you want to serve a martini. If you're serving it up or any up drink, you want to chill your glass first. So here is the stirred drink. And here is the shaken drink.
Look at the difference.
It really looks different, doesn't it?
That is really hugely noticeable.
Now I'm also going to garnish this with a lemon twist. That's the classic. Well, it's a classic martini garnish as well as a Vesper garnish.
Should we hold it closer to the
Yeah,
camera?
I'm going
or are
to.
they getting it?
No, I don't know if they're getting it.
No, it's really so noticeable.
I like the one that's stirred better. They probably both taste about the same.
You want the clear one.
Here, I'll give you the clear one, hon.
No, sweetheart. We'll share the clear one.
We'll share the clear.
And we'll
share
give
the clear
Maria
one.
the shaken one in a bucket. Maria does love a martini. And
Ooh,
she
that's
actually does like hers
shaken
that way.
Anyway, yeah, I can totally see the difference. Tastes good though.
Beautiful, honey. Lovely Vesper.
Mwah.